Hi, and welcome back to another product review. Today I'm going to be reviewing iMethod Beauty's eyebrow stamp. They were nice enough to send this to me in the mail, so I'm excited to try it. It came with a bunch of stencils, and I mean a bunch. Like, I had to choose which ones I thought would be closest to my natural brow, and that's what I have here. And these are the ones that I don't think I'm going to be able to use on my specific brow shape. Let's open it. Oh. Alright, so I guess it's got a little spring in there. And it looks like one side is the sponge and the other side is the product inside of the cap, which is pretty cool. I'm starting by brushing the brow hairs into the position that I want them to be in. Okay, so I know I look weird, but I have the stencil in place. I'm using number 8, and I'm gonna go in with the product and see how it goes. Time for the reveal. Not bad, honestly. So I am going in and like fluffing it up and kind of getting rid of any harsh lines that were there. I'm gonna go do my other brow. Okay, so once I did my second brow, I kind of figured out a technique that works better than what I did here. So I'm actually gonna redo this brow like this one, because I actually really like this one better. I'm back, brows are on and concealed. They did take a little bit of work to get where they are right now, so I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup and come back with my final thoughts. Okay, I'm back, makeup is on. Okay, so for this brow stamp, I feel like this would be really great for somebody that is just starting out in makeup or is like really crunched on time and they just want to really put them on really quickly. But I will say for me, it was a little bit difficult getting the eyebrows symmetrical, so this brow took me like 3 times to get right. It was a little bit frustrating when I went in with some concealer to clean them up, because if you mess up, you have to go back in with a stencil and try to fix it that way. And this all may be because I'm just used to doing my brows a different way. So I'm definitely going to play around with this in the future to see if I can find some different techniques to use and see if that will change anything. But let me know if you guys would try this down in the comments. Thank you again to iMethod Beauty for sending me this.